Madhuri. In this video I am going to deal with differential equations. So today our topic is solution of first order and first degree differential equation. So what is the solution of first order and first degree differential equation form? dy by dx equals to f of x into g of y, or this may be written as dy by dx equals to f of x by g of y. This can be solved by variable separable method. How we can solve this? By variable separable method. So for this two steps are there. What is step 1? Separate the variables. First we have to separate the variables. dy by, for example, dy by dx equals to minus 2y. So how we can separate these variables? dy equals to, now we should take this dx this side, so it becomes multiplication. dy equals to minus 2y into dx. That implies dy, this multiplication of y comes here and becomes division. So dy by y equals to minus 2 into dx. That implies this y we can take it as 1 by y into dx equals to minus 2 dx as it is. So next, in step 2, what we have to do? We have to integrate on both sides. We have to integrate this both. After separating the variables, what we are doing in step 2, we are integrating. We are applying integration on both the sides. So integral 1 by y dy equals to minus 2 into minus 2 as it is integral dx. So what do we get? Integral 1 by y dy equals to, what is the formula of integral 1 by y dy? Log y. So log y, here we are taking log y equals to minus 2 as it is. Integral dx means x plus c. So x plus c here. So therefore log y equals to 2 into x, 2x plus c, which is the general solution. So log y equals to minus 2x plus c is the general solution. Now let us solve the example. What is given here? dy by dx equals to x square into y square. So first what we should do here, what is given here? dy by dx equals to x square y square. First we have to, in the step 1, we have to separate the variables. How we should separate here? dy by dx equals to x square into y square. That implies dy equals to, now dy equals to x square, this dx will go this side into dx. Now this y square will come this side. So it will be, if multiplication comes here, becomes division. dy by y square equals to x square into dx. That implies, how we can write this? 1 by y square into dy equals to x square into. So for step 1, what we have to do? We have to separate the variables. Means y variables one side and x variables another side. We have to separate the variables first. Now in step 2, what we have to do? We have to do integration on both the sides. Integrating on both sides. So integral 1 by y square dy equals to integral x square dx. That implies integral y square dy means, what is the formula? Minus 1 by y. Since integral y square dy equals to minus 1 by y equals to integral x square. Integral x square dx equals to, what is the formula? X cube by 3 plus c. So here x cube by 3 plus c. So minus 1 by y equals to x cube by 3 plus c is the general solution. This is the general solution which we got. So in this way we are solving this particular problem. First we are separating the variables. We are taking y variables one side and x variables one side. After separating, we are doing integrations on both the sides. Whatever the answer we get is the general solution. This topic is homogeneous function. What is homogeneous function? When do we say the function is homogeneous? A function f of x is f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of kx comma ky equals to k power n. K power n into f of x comma y. If f of kx comma ky equals to k power n into f of x comma y, then we can say that the function is homogeneous function. Let us solve the example. What is given here? F of x comma y equals to x cube plus y cube by x by y. So what we should take this, how we can write this? F of kx comma ky equals to, now we should take here k, we should apply k cube into x cube plus k cube into y cube by k into x minus k into y. We have to apply this f of x comma y with k equals to, now we should take k cube common here, k cube into x cube plus y cube by k into x minus y. Now this k cube, this k will be cancelled. What is remaining here? K square into x cube plus y by x minus y. So what is the degree n here? What is the degree n? What is the degree n we are getting? 2. Therefore, f of xy equals to x cube plus y cube by x minus y is a homogeneous function. Is a homogeneous function of degree n equals to 2. What is the degree n here? What we are getting? Degree n equals to 2. So this given example is a homogeneous function of degree n equals to 2. So in this way we are going to solve the homogeneous function. Coming to next topic, homogeneous differential equation. A first order and first degree differential equation. What is the first order and first degree differential equation? dy by dx equals to f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous differential equation. When it is said to be homogeneous differential equation, if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function. This equation can be said to be, this equation is said to be homogeneous differential equation when f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Its degree should be 0 in x and y. That is, f of kx comma ky equals to k power 0 into f of x comma y. Now, method to solve homogeneous differential equation. So 5 steps are there for solving homogeneous differential equation. First step, in step 1, check the homogeneous condition. First we have to check the condition whether it is homogeneous or not. For f of x comma y, first we have to check whether it is homogeneous or not. That is, f of kx comma ky equals to k power 0 into f of x comma y. In step 2, substitute y equals to vx and then differentiate with respect to x. So by differentiating with respect to x, what we will get here? dy by dx. Now for this we have to apply uv method. So what we will get here? v plus x into dv by dx. Now coming to step 3, substitute the value of step 2 in the given differential equation. What we will get after substituting the value of step 2 in the given differential equation? What we will get here? v plus x into dv by dx equals to f of x comma vx. f of x comma vx. Now step 4, solve this differential equation by, we have to solve the differential equation by variable separable method. Now coming to step 5, substitute this in the above general solution. We have to substitute this in the given general solution. Now let us solve the problem based on homogeneous differential equation. So what is given here? Solve x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy equals to 0. So solve first we have to check whether it is, first we have to check the condition whether the given sum is homogeneous or not. what is given here? X square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy equals to 0 given. So implies 2xy into dy equals to this plus x square minus y square into dx goes this side, right side. Then it becomes minus x square minus y square into dx. So what we are doing here? We are taking this x square minus y square into dx, this right side. So it will become minus x square minus y square into dx. That implies 2 into xy into dy equals to y square minus, we are taking common here, y square minus x square into dx. That implies dy by dx equals to this dx we are taking this side, so it will become division. Dy by dx equals to y square minus x square by, now this 2xy we are taking this side, so it will become division. Multiplication, if it comes this side means becomes division by 2xy. Now here we are taking minus common, so y square minus x square by 2xy. For checking the homogeneous condition, what we should do? F of x comma y equals to k into k square into y square minus k square into x square by 2 into kx into ky. Since f of x comma y equals to f of kx comma ky. For checking the homogeneous condition, what we should apply? This condition we should apply. So f of x comma y means here dy by dx equals to, now we should take k here, k square into y square minus k square into x square by 2 into kx into ky equals to, here k square common, y square minus k into y square minus x square by k into 2xy. So k square k will be cancelled. What is remaining here? K into y square minus x square by 2xy. This we should consider as equation 1. So this dy by dx equals to y square minus x square by 2xy. We should consider as equation 1. Now what is getting here? K into x square minus y, k into y square minus x square by 2xy. F of x comma y equals to k into y square minus x square by 2xy. So this is a homogeneous condition. Therefore, equation 1 is a homogeneous function. Therefore, equation 1, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Since homogeneous condition is suitable for this, since f of x comma y equals to k naught into f of x comma y. So it is satisfying the homogeneous condition. So equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Now what we have to do? Now we have to substitute y equals to bx. According to step 2, we have to substitute y equals to bx. What we will get after substituting y equals to bx? Implies, now what we have to do? After checking the condition whether it is homogeneous or not, after that we have to substitute y equals to bx. That implies dy by dx equals to v plus x into dv by dx. According to step 2, what we are doing? We are substituting here. This is step 2. According to step 2, what we are substituting? Y equals to bx, and we are differentiating with respect to y. So dy by dx equals to, applying uv method, getting v plus x into dv by dx. According to step 2, we are substituting this. This is step 1. What we have done up to here, Up to here is step 1. This is step 1. In step 1, we have checked whether it is homogeneous differential equation or not. In step 2, we are substituting y equals to vx. Now, in step 3, v plus x dv by dx equals to f of x comma vx. We have to substitute in step 2 this f of x comma vx. So that implies v plus x into dv by dx equals to, what is the homogeneous differential equation here? Y square minus x square by 2 into xy equals to, so what we have to do? In the place of y, what we have to substitute? Vx. In the place of y, what we have to substitute? Vx. Since y equals to vx. So what we have to take here? In the place of y, vx. So v square x square minus x square as it is by 2 into x as it is. In the place of y, again vx into vx equals to v square x square minus x square by, what it will get here? X into x, 2v into x square. Now we have to take x square common here. X square into v square. After taking x square common, what we will get? X square into v square minus, what is there here? X square. So into 1 minus 1 by, here also we should take x square common into 2v. Now both the x squares will be cancelled here. Equals to, after cancelling x square, what we will get here? V square minus 1 by 2v. That implies v plus x into dv by dx equals to v square minus 1 by 2v. Now that implies x into dv by dx equals to v square minus 2v as it is. Now we should take this v this side. So it will become minus v. Minus v. That implies x into dv by dx equals to, now we have to take LCM. So v square minus 1 into v square minus 1 into v square minus 1, same as it is. V square minus 1 minus 2v into v by, after taking LCM, what we will get here? 2v equals to v square minus 1 minus 2v into v, 2v square by 2v equals to, here v square plus v square minus 2v square. What we will get? Minus v square minus 1 by 2v. That implies x into dv by dx equals to minus v square minus 1 by 2v. That implies, now we should take this 2v this side. 2v into x into dv equals to minus v square minus 1 into this dx comes this side. Here we are doing cross multiplication. What we are doing here? 2v. We are taking this 2v this side. 2v into x dv equals to minus v square minus 1 as it is. This dx will come this side and becomes into dx. So now with this we have completed step 3. For step 4, what we have to do? We have to separate the variables. Step 4. Separate the variables. Applying step 4. In step 4, what we should do? We have to separate the variables. So that implies how we should separate the variables. We have to take x terms one side and v terms one side. So 2v by, now this we are taking minus common here. So 1 plus v square here. Taking minus common, what we will get here? 1 plus v square into dv as it is equals to minus as it is. What we are doing here, we are taking this b terms this side. So minus we are taking common. So 1 plus minus into minus plus 1 plus v square equals to minus as it is dx by, if into term comes here means becomes division, dx by x. Now we are separating the variables 2v by v square. This we are taking this side. So minus we are taking common here. Minus into minus plus 1 plus v square into dv as it is. Now minus same as it is. We are taking this x this side. So multiplication term comes here means becomes division, dx by x. Now after separating the variables, what we should do? We have to integrate on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integral 2v by 1 plus v square into dv equals to minus, how we can write this? 1 by x into dx. We have to substitute this value, 1 plus v square equals to t. Now we have to differentiate this. So 1 plus v square dv equals to dt. So we have to differentiate this. So differentiation of constant 0. Differentiation of v square 2v dv equals to differentiation of t 1 into dt. That implies 2v dv equals to dt. Now we have to substitute these values in integral 2v by 1 plus v square. That implies integral, what is 2v dv here? dt by 1 plus v square. What we took here? Integral 2v by 1 plus v square dv equals to dt by t equals to minus as it is integral of 1 by x. What we will get? Integral of 1 by x log x plus c. Since integral of 1 by x dx equals to log x plus c. How we can write this? 1 by t into dt. So integral, we can take this dt by t as 1 by t into dt equals to minus log x plus c as it is. That implies, so here integral 1 by t dt, how we can write? What is the formula of integral 1 by t dt? Log t equals to minus log x plus c. That implies log t equals to minus log x. Now we have to take this constant also in the logarithmic form plus log c. So what is t here? What is the value of t? Log t means what here? 1 plus v square equals to minus log x plus log c. Since t equals to 1 plus v square, that implies log 1 plus v square equals to, now we should take this log this side. So minus log will become here plus log x equals to log c as it is. We have to apply the logarithmic formula. That implies log, this is log a. Log, this is a value and this is b value. So log a plus b equals to, since log a plus b equals to log a into log b. So this is a, this is b. So log 1 plus v square into x equals to log c. Now we are going to cancel, now we have to cancel here log, this log and this log will be cancelled here. So what is remaining here? 1 plus, that implies 1 plus v square into x equals to c. That implies 1 plus, what is remaining here after cancelling the log? 1 plus v square into x equals to c. That implies 1 plus, what is v here? Y equals to vx. Since y equals to vx, that implies v equals to x by y. Y square by x square into x equals to c. And that's what we have to take here. We have to take LCM here. x square 1 by 1. So x square plus y square by after taking LCM, what we will get here? By x square into x equals to c. That implies cancelling this x terms. What is remaining here? That implies x square plus y square by x equals to c. That implies x square plus y square equals to c into x.